Okay, so I am doing some wings with Carolina sauce and hot sauce. I don't think I've ever showed you guys this, but this is so good. My last minute go-to meals for when we're home. These came from Costco. They are a 5-pound bag, and I think I got them for, I want to say $18.99. Regularly $25.99, I think is what they are. I'm not sure. So don't quote me on that, but 5 pounds of wings for 15 or even 25 is a really good deal. So these are already really crisp, and I'm going to coat them right now with some sauce that I made up. Okay, so don't look at my counter, it's a mess. This is my sauce mixture. Some Carolina, mostly Carolina, and then I put some hot sauce in there, and these are just from Aldi, you guys. You don't have to use name brands. These are amazing. I just mix them together. So I bit my tongue, that's why I'm slurring, and it really hurts. So excuse me for that. I just mix them together, and then I'm going to brush them on the wings. Okay, so this is what I use to brush on the wings, and I'm going to take you over here to oh, I can't do this with one hand. Dang. Okay, so I'm going to dip it, and I'm just going to show you really quick what I do. Brush it right here, just like that, and I'm going to do that to all the wings on this side. I'm going to put it back in the oven. I'm going to turn them over once they are nice and dry, and then do the other side. Okay, so they are all brushed. I love chicken wings, you guys. Really, really love them. They are the go-to snack, especially when we are out and we come home late at night. This is my go-to. They're in the freezer all the time. I usually get them at Aldi, but this time I got them at Costco. My daughter says that she gets them... my tongue really hurts. My daughter said that she gets them at Costco all the time, so I tried there, and they just happen to be on sale. So this is what they look like before they go into the oven and dry out just a little bit, and I have only that much sauce left. Sauce is really good. If you haven't tried the Carolina sauce by Aldi, oh my god, really, really good, you guys. It's just sweet enough. And then I add the hot sauce to it, but don't make it really hot. It's kind of tangy and hot at the same time, but not too hot that you can't eat it. Really, really good. Okay, you guys, so here are the French fries, the asparagus, the chicken. There you go. Okay. Thanks for watching.
My wife is awesome.
Aww. Thanks for watching, you guys. The word of the day, okay, is awesome. So comment the word of the day is awesome. Comment awesome in the comment section to win a little 4-ounce jar, well, kind of big, of Italian seasoning homemade by me. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you soon.